How's it going, guys? This is the Common Shooter coming back. I just got off the phone with the New York State hotline for the new gun laws. It's a number that you can call. I'll post that down below. It's 1-855 gun laws if anybody has any questions, but that's where I obtained the information that I'm about to give you guys. I just found out some very discouraging things. I was originally under the impression that so-called assault weapons could still be purchased in New York, but they had to be registered. And I've just found out that currently the way the law reads is any assault weapon, so-called assault weapon by New York State law, is now illegal to purchase. If you've owned one prior, it's grandfathered in, but they are now completely illegal. I also found out that you cannot legally make any modifications to your weapons. This goes, for example, the 1022. Everybody knows they're highly customizable. If I was to take my 1022 and put a thumb hole stock on it, I would be breaking the law. I would be in violation of the law if I was to do that. I currently have a Mac 90 that does not have a stock on it. If I was to put a stock on that with a thumb hole, a pistol grip, any sort of feature like that, I would be in violation of the law. Explain that to me, okay? Something else that I just found out. 10 rounds in the magazine. You can have 10 rounds at a range. I already knew this. If you have 10 rounds in a magazine outside of a range, outside of your home, it is considered a misdemeanor, which is a fingerprintable offense. If you have 10 rounds within your home, it is considered only a violation. So there's some news for you guys on that one. As far as I'm concerned, I'll take the violation, which is basically a fine and a slap on the wrist. It doesn't stay on your record, and it's basically, it would be washed away. So I'll take a slap on the wrist and a violation to have 10 rounds in my magazine to protect my family. And maybe I shouldn't be saying this on YouTube, but I'm saying it anyways. Am I going to keep 10 rounds in it on a regular basis? We'll just go ahead and say no. Will I add 3 more? No, probably not. Maybe. We'll see. So that's what I just found out about that one. But let's just talk for a second. They are now illegal. Illegal. You can't have a so-called assault weapon. And what defines an assault weapon? Okay, what defines an assault weapon in New York? One or more feature can classify a weapon as an assault weapon. So it can have one feature, and that would be okay. The one feature that it can have is a detachable magazine. Now, if you have a detachable magazine with a pistol grip, it's an assault weapon. If you have a detachable magazine with a muzzle brake, it's an assault weapon. Now, I have hunting rifles that have a detachable magazine and a muzzle brake. Hunting rifles. It is now an assault weapon. A Browning BAR semi-automatic hunting rifle is now an assault weapon. And I don't even know what to say to that. I really don't. It's illegal. And that I was under the impression that you could still purchase them, but they just needed to be registered. We truly are coming into a military state. One other thing real quick to put out there. I know there's a giveaway going on. I believe Ibome is hosting this giveaway, to where they're sending 30-round magazines to what Mule Team 66 likes to call the occupied territories. And I like the way he puts that, because I definitely feel as though I'm living in an occupied territory. They are not illegal yet. They will become illegal as of January 13, 2014. That is when they'll become illegal. You can permanently modify them. to be able to accept only 10 rounds, or you can discard them in the garbage, or you can transfer them to an FFL dealer. So I just want to put that out there. Ibome, if you ship out pre-ban from the original assault weapons brand, if you ship out pre-ban magazines to the occupied territories, you will not be in violation of the law. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think. This is obviously a great travesty that is fallen upon us. Again, I'm speechless. I mean, I'm not, but I am. There's so much that I would like to say about it. But for a certain amount of fear, I will bite my tongue. They're illegal. They're illegal. You can no longer purchase them, and if you did not own them prior to the law being enacted, June 13th, or January 13th, 2013, you can't have them. It's sad. It's sad. It's embarrassing. It's unconstitutional, and it's a disgrace to our Constitution, to our Bill of Rights, and to our freedoms as Americans, and to our capability to defend ourselves against tyranny and anything else that may stand in the way of our rights, our liberties, and our freedoms as an American citizen. Please let me know what you guys think. I'd love to see some video replies to this, because it is a sad day to find this out. Thanks for watching, guys. I certainly appreciate it. Please share this, not just for me, but for the community itself. I really want to get this out here. Spread the word. Thanks, guys.